So here we are, Year 8, the final assembly. What a strange year it's been. It's fair to say none of us predicted Year 8 would ever look like this. But this strange time has allowed all you stars out there to shine your absolute brightest. And today I want to recognise and celebrate that. So this week I asked your teachers to nominate their ultimate lockdown superstar, the Year 8 student who in their opinion has given their all throughout this time. The nominations came speeding in and there were so many nominations for each category. So let's begin with our awards. Okay everyone, so as I said, lots of nominations. Now let's announce the winners. So our first award, the Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for English, goes to Poppy N. Well done, Poppy. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Maths goes to Jacob T. Congratulations, Jacob. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Science goes to Holly B. Well done, Holly, great job. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for History, very well deserved, goes to Abigail R. Well done, Abigail. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Geography goes to Lydia E. Super job, Lydia, well done there. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Spanish goes to Isaac B. Well done, Isaac. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for ICT goes to Epine. Well done, Epine, congratulations. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Food, he must be a chef by now, goes to Lucas W. Brilliant job, Lucas. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for DT, for that amazing landscaping in the entire garden, goes to Ethan R. Well done, Ethan. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Music goes to two students, we couldn't possibly pick one, and our winners are Cameron C. and Alfie W. Well done, you two. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for Art, for all her amazing sketches, goes to Amber H. Well done, Amber. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for our community champion, for all those face masks, goes to Isabel U. Well done, Isabel. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for learning a new skill and sharing her creations goes to Natalie A. Well done, Natalie. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for the most positive attitude goes to Riley H. Well done, Riley. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for the most resilient, for keeping going when times feel really, really tough, goes to Ryan S. We're really proud of you, Ryan, well done. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for 8LOA goes to Maria K. Well done, Maria. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for 8NTA goes to, another one, Amber H. You've kept me and Miss Talbot smiling throughout, so thank you, Amber. The Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for 8JLA goes to Amy H. Well done, Amy. And the Ultimate Lockdown Superstar for 8LAL goes to Alex P. Excellent beetroot brownies this week too, Alex. Fantastic recipes and hard work throughout. Well done, you. We're all so proud of you, Year 8. Check your inbox to see if you were nominated, because you will also get an email and some praise for that. So many of you were nominated, and winners, check your inbox for your certificates. Well done, everyone. Now, last week I appealed to you. I asked for who you would like to celebrate, recognise and thank, and I have been inundated. So now it's over to Mr. Coulson to hear what you had to say.
Good morning, Year 8. As part of our celebration assembly, we have got some student nominations to go through, which I'm just going to read through quickly now. Libby A says thank you to Miss Cooper. She's been amazing and lovely as always. Brandon S says thank you to Miss Milner. She's been great with helping with his science work. Maria K nominates Mr. Greaves for being her favourite teacher in the whole of school, and Mrs Wharton for making Year 8 a pleasant year. Lydia E says thank you to Miss Cooper for being lovely and giving brilliant feedback all the way through lockdown. Also Mrs Wharton because of the assemblies and emailing us when we have done some excellent work. You are lovely too. Jacob T says firstly he would like to thank Mrs Wharton because we look forward to the weekly assemblies. Second, I would like to thank Mrs Moffat and Mr Greaves for the English and his YouTube videos helping me through. And thirdly, I would like to nominate Riley H and Dominic D for keeping me occupied on the computers. Amy H says thank you to Phoenix. He's been keeping in touch over FaceTime and kept company throughout lockdown. Abby T says thank you to her mum and dad, Tegan F, Ben W and Jake M for supporting her through the lockdown. Tegan F has also nominated her mum, her stepdad and Abby T for all their support through the heartbreaking time. Ryan S would like to nominate Lucas C for being a fantastic friend throughout. Thank you. Phoenix would like to nominate his mum and dad and Amy. Dominic D would like to nominate Jack H. Jack H says thank you to JB because he's helped me through my maths work. Also would like to thank Cameron C because he's helped me throughout my emails. Also thank you to all the teachers because they've made work easy to understand, but most of all thank you to Mr Wood. This student would wish to remain anonymous but would like to thank Miss Capel. Says thank you, she's helped me through science this year, especially through lockdown. She has given me great feedback which has helped me improve my work. She's also been a great help and a fantastic teacher which has supported me throughout. So thank you to them, and I've also got one more. An extra mention from Amber H who says thank you to Mrs Wharton, Miss Talbot and Mr Coulson and her whole family for getting her through lockdown. Thank you very much for these messages, guys. They are brilliant. It's nice to see, but you've all been getting involved, and obviously it means a lot to teachers, but you have sent them as well, so thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Year 8. What lovely messages there. Now I'm going to pass over to your tutors for their final Year 8 messages to you.
Hello Year 8, it's Mrs Haig here. I just wanted to say a huge well done to those people who worked incredibly hard over this period of time. I know that you've sent in some amazing work to your teachers and also been helping out at home and doing different tasks and jobs to help out wherever you can. So this is our final assembly, our final time senior before we're back in September hopefully. So this is your chance to send in any final bits of work, any final bits of achievement that you're proud of during this period to your teachers. I know I'd love to hear from a few more people this week and just say hello, tell us what you've been up to, because we really want to know. Have a lovely summer holiday, try and keep yourself busy, keep your mind active, get out and have lots of fresh air, keep safe and well, so that we can all have a fantastic year next year at school. See you all soon. Mrs Haig.
Hello Year 8, I hope you're all well and staying safe still. I can't believe that this is the last week of term and the last week that you are going to be in Year 8. So next time I see you all and I'm saying hello, it'll be hello Year 9. Wow, that is a scary thought, but it's also quite exciting as well to think that the next time we're all together, you will be in Year 9. I just want to say a big well done for this year. You've all worked extremely hard. It's been quite different. It's been a challenging year. We've come across things that we've never come across before, but you've all worked really well and really hard, and you've been fantastic at keeping in touch with your teachers. Especially my form, I want to give you a little shout out. Like I always say, I love hearing from you. I love getting your emails telling me what you've been up to. It always makes me laugh how some of you just say, "Hi miss, I'm okay," and that's it. But as long as I know that you're alright, that is all that I'm concerned about. So I have been missing you all, and I can't wait to see you all in September and see how much you've all grown and changed over these last few months. So take care, enjoy your summer, and I shall see you all in September. Bye.
Thanks again Year 8 for having such a lovely year group. It's been a pleasure to have you this year. I know obviously it's been under hard circumstances, but we've had a lockdown and it's not been nice not being able to see you all. But thank you very much for all the emails. Thank you for getting in contact with your teachers and completing the fantastic work which you have throughout the lockdown. So proud of you all. Remember we have still got a couple of days left, so put in that extra work. It will pay off for next year. But most of all, I look forward to seeing you all next year. Remember to stay safe over the 6-week holidays, look after yourselves, and let's make a big positive start when we come back to school in September. Thanks again. Have a lovely time over 6 weeks.
Okay then, Year 8. Finally, I just want to say there's been a lot of talk in the media and by our government about how far behind you all are and how little progress you've been making throughout lockdown. And I want to say firstly, a huge well done to each and every one of you who's kept up with schoolwork in some form, whether that's emailing your teachers every week, or keeping it all on paper and keeping it in files for September. It's really, really brilliant. But I also want to recognise so many of your other achievements too. I want to say well done to each and every one of you who stepped up at home, whether you're helping out grown-ups around the house with jobs, or stepping in to help your siblings with homeschooling, or helping your grandparents and others in the community. Whether you've been building planters and growing veg, creating new gardens, making face masks for yourself and the community, developing your musical talents and making fantastic music, learning a new hobby, developing your new skills and creating amazing pieces of artwork, developing your cooking skills by testing out new recipes, reading and recommending books to others, or simply checking in with your friends to make sure they're okay. Well done, each and every one of you. Just because it isn't always on our curriculum doesn't mean that it isn't progress. We've all had off days and wobbles, and we'll have missed so many people. But your resilience through what's been probably the most surreal part of our lives, for most of us, has been amazing. So I want to finish year 8 by saying well done to you all. I have the most special job, because what the media and the government don't get to see, I get to see it all. And today I feel very privileged and very proud. So I'm going to shut up now, year 8, and raise my mug of black tea to you all. I know how to party, all right? And here's to September, here's to year 9. I can't wait to see you all and get started again. Have a lovely summer, remembering to read, relax, exercise, take care, stay safe. Keep checking the website and Netherwood social media for updates throughout summer. And we'll see each other very, very soon. Bye-bye, year 8.